Hi friends, welcome to Automove India. I am Rishon. Today I am not going to review a car, but I am going to give you some tips about how to maintain your car. A car is like a family member to us. So let's begin our video. Service means not only to wash your car, but to change its engine oil filter, air filter and diesel filter. Diesel filter is only for a diesel engine. First, let's talk about the diesel engine. The which I have here is the brand new CIDI diesel engine, which is, as you can see, is this, and you don't need to clean the fuel injection system for this. And for diesel engines, changing the oil, air filter and the diesel filter interval is 5000 to 10,000 kilometers. Next, let's move on to the petrol engine. This is the petrol engine which I have right here with me. This is the MPFI engine, not the carburetor engine. If there's a necessary or if you find a blockage or anything like that, you should change the petrol filter. And the service interval time for petrol engines is 10,000 kilometers. And when you do a service for petrol engines, it is a necessary that you should change your engine oil filter, air filter. Now I have with me the turbocharged diesel engine right beside me, as you can see, and the service differences between the CRDI and the turbocharged diesel engine, there is no much differences. In the turbocharged diesel engine also, you should change the oil filter, that is the engine oil filter, air filter and the diesel filter. It is a must to change the diesel filter, and the service interval time is also the same, that is 5000 to 10,000 kilometers. Next, let's talk about the battery. Check the battery every time when you open the hood of the vehicle. Make sure that the electrolyte of the battery is at maximum level. Next, let's talk about the coolant of the vehicle. The coolant is dirty. Make sure you change it, and if it is less, make sure you top it up. And also check the radiator hose pipes if there's any leakages or cracks. And also check the steering and the brake fluid of the vehicle. If it is less, top it up. Even the same should be followed for the petrol engines also. Check the battery, check the coolant and check the brake fluid and the steering fluid. Also make sure that the wiper liquid is also at the top level. Let me show you how to check the engine oil of the vehicle. There is a thing called a dipstick over here, and you should pull it out. You should make sure that you touch it, and if there's a residue or it becomes thick, you should change your engine oil. And suppose, if I'll give you an example, like if there's a lockdown, you are making your vehicle stand for a long period of time in the same place, make sure you change your engine oil before the service due, because the viscosity of the engine oil decreases. Next, let's talk about the tires of the vehicle. Make sure you check the tire pressure of the vehicle whenever you go to fill your fuel at the petrol bunk, and make sure the grooves are big enough, and if they are worn out, you should change the tires of your vehicle. Also do wheel alignment and wheel balancing for your tires. And if suppose you are on the run and your wheel gets punctured, make sure after you fix the puncture of your vehicle, do wheel balancing for that tire, or your tire will get worn unevenly. Next, let's talk about the other parts of the wheel. Make sure you check the other parts of the wheel with an authorized person, that is the ball joint, ball end, the balancing rod and the steering rod. Make sure that there are no cracks, rubbing sounds or anything like that. If there are anything like that, make sure you replace it. You guys must be wondering, what am I doing? I am checking the suspension of the vehicle. While you go do the wheel balancing and the wheel alignment of your vehicle, make sure all your 4 suspensions are perfect. Make sure that you check the headlamps and tail lamps of the vehicle. If any of the bulb is not working, make sure you replace the bulbs of the vehicle, and also make sure that you apply greasing on the hinges, on the doors, boot and the bonnet of the vehicle. Friends, I am in the interior of the vehicle. Make sure that you clean your interior of the vehicle with a vacuum cleaner, and use water or mild liquid to clean the dashboard of your vehicle. While traveling, Make sure that you don't open the window and travel, as the dust will enter inside. Switch on the AC while you travel, and always keep your interior clean and dust free. Friends, last but not least, make sure you wash your car properly with a proper authorized service station where they don't use hard water to wash your car. And if you use hard water to wash your car, corrosion will occur and the paint work will be damaged. So, after the wash, I recommend that you polish your car for a clean look and a shiny finish. So now we have come to an end of this vlog. Hope you like my video of how to maintain your car. These are the small tips how to maintain your car. So if you like the video, please click the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for all my upcoming videos. Till then, stay home, stay safe.